Over the past few months, you may have noticed something interesting. Gold prices are touching new highs. Silver prices are rising quietly but strongly. Everyone is suddenly talking about gold and silver again due to its rising prices. But now the question everyone is thinking about. Is this the right time to invest in gold and silver? Or have prices already gone too high? And most importantly, what should a smart investor do right now when the gold and silver prices are at all-time high? In today's video, we will clearly discuss why gold and silver prices are rising, gold versus silver, which is better and why, whether you should buy now or wait, the best ways to invest safely, and finally, how much gold and silver should be in your portfolio. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'll give you a simple details for the action plan. First, we need to understand why gold and silver prices rising. Let's first understand the real reasons, not social media hype. 1. Inflation and falling purchasing power. When inflation goes up, the value of money goes down. That means your savings buy less, your cash loses purchasing power, and fixed returns struggle to beat inflation. Gold and silver work differently. They cannot be printed. They have intrinsic value. That's why, whenever inflation rises, investors move toward gold and silver. Interest rates and currency weakness. Global uncertainty and geopolitical risks, like war between Russia and Ukraine. Also, silver industrial demand is rising day by day for the usage in chips. Second major reason is interest rates and currency weakness. When interest rates are uncertain and expected to fall, then suddenly stock market become volatile and currencies starts weaken. And if we check the historical trend, gold and silver moves in the opposite direction of weak currencies. So when the trust is paper money goes down, then trust in real assets goes up. Third reason is global uncertainty, like wars, geopolitical tensions, and economic slowdowns. All these create fear in the market, and when fear increases, investor looks for safety and save the money in the form of gold and silver. Gold has always considered as safe haven asset. Fourth reason, in the recent past, industrial demand for silver suddenly goes up as nowadays it not only a precious metal, but also used in solar panels, electric vehicles, electronics, and medical equipment. And these are globally demanding markets. As green energy and technology grows, silver demand keeps increasing. That's one big reason silver prices are rising along with gold. Now, let's talk about gold versus silver. Which is better? If we talk about gold, it's about stability, less volatile, protects wealth, and performs well during crises. Gold is not for fast profits, it for protection. On the other hand, silver is more volatile and can rise faster. Silver involves higher risk, higher rewards trends. Silver usually suits aggressive investors who can handle ups and downs. In nutshell, smart investors don't choose one, they choose both, but in right proportion. Now the million-dollar questions comes here. Should you buy now or wait? This is where most investors get stuck. Retail investor keep waiting for the perfect correction and the best entry point. And due to this process, they miss the opportunity. Everyone needs to understand one clear thing: finding perfect timing in market is almost impossible. What does smart investors do instead of investing all your money at once? They invest in phases and buy gradually, which also reduce emotional stress. Gold and silver are not trading assets. They work best when held for years, not weeks. So now, what are the best ways to invest? 1. In the form of coins and bars, and these are become tangible and no counterparty risk, but also remember storage and purity matters. And on the other hand, digital gold is convenient and easy, but long-term trust depends on the platform. In this 21st century, investors invest in ETFs, market-linked and highly liquid for long-term investment. Before investing, choose the method that matches your comfort and requirements and build your wealth gradually. So now the last question. come in every investor mind. Will the gold and silver touch new highs in coming days? Gold and silver are touching new highs every day, but now also going the consolidation phase. MCX Gold is also consolidating at all-time highs of $4,508 US dollars. With prices rebounding from the lower end of the range, the current level within the consolidation is seen as a buying opportunity. Also, breakout above the recent highs is likely to break the bullish momentum. As long as prices stay above the breakout zone, the overall outlook for gold continues to be bullish. From a technical point of view, the 44.55 US dollars zone stands as a strong support representing the breakout above the prior swing high. Any pullback from this level will enhance the fresh buying interest and also helping to near-term downside. Now, gold is well positioned to move forward towards the new highs. Also, MCX Silver has recently reached a new all-time high, continuing its pattern of forming higher highs over the past few months. Although prices have seen a short-term pullback, the overall market sentiment remains positive. Any decline toward the lower end of the weekly range is likely to create fresh buying opportunities. Traders are advised to stay aligned with the prevailing bullish trend, which remains firmly intact. The recent rebound from key support levels reflects renewed strength in the ongoing uptrend and increases the probability of further upside. As long as prices hold above the weekly support zones, the bullish outlook is expected to continue. The immediate support is positioned around the $2,328 level for 1 kilo, which has now emerged as a strong base. Any pullback toward this area is likely to attract buying interest, helping prices stabilize and maintain upward momentum. On the upside, silver appears well positioned to test the $25.20 US dollars per kg resistance level over the near to medium term. This potential move would represent a continuation of the previous bullish phase and is supported by strong market momentum and favorable technical indicators. Overall, as long as prices remain comfortably above the $2,328 US dollar support level, silver is expected to sustain its positive trend, with significant scope for further upside as bullish sentiment continues to strengthen. Thanks for watching this video, and we will be back with more market updates to help you stay informed and cautious with your investments. This content is only for educational purposes only, not any financial advice. If you found it is useful, then please do like, comment, and subscribe.